Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be showing you guys how I take professional product photos at home using my phone. So as you guys know, if you are a boutique owner or have your own brand, how it's important to constantly have good content and high quality product photos. If you outsource your photos with a photographer, we all know you run the risk of long wait time, never getting your photos, and the most important part, it's expensive. And if you're just starting out with your brand or your business, you don't have the money to keep paying for photos. So I am going to be showing you guys how I take my own product photos at home on all my little tricks and tips. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so this baby right here is where all the magic happens. Okay, this is a portable studio light box. This is top of the line. You can get any professional photos with this light box. Okay, so this comes in two different sizes. You can get the small version or you can get the extra large version because you know I'm extra. No, I'm just kidding. But you know, bigger is always better because you never want to have to go back and get a bigger one. So the more space you have, the more you have to work with and grow. It comes with 4 free backdrops. One of the backdrops is inside already, so we can get right into it. I love this photo box. I swear by it. It is the best thing ever. I don't need anybody. I do it by myself. Okay, ladies, we got to do it by ourselves. It's time to boss up. So I'm gonna let you guys check it out. Alright guys, so you got to check out the Studio Lightbox. Remember that I'll have a link down below so that you guys can purchase it if you want it. So we are about to get into the photo shoot. So before you start shooting, you want to think about what message you want your brand to give, and you want to think about your social media content so that way you can use your photos for multiple reasons. You don't want to just use it on your website. You want to be able to use it across all platforms. So with that, we're going to get right into the setup, and I'm going to show you guys, you want to play with your props. You want to try different lightings, different backdrops, whatever you feel like screams you and your brand. So for me, I'm going to do black because black is just powerful, amazing, clean, and luxurious, and that way it doesn't disturb my bags. And you'll be able to see the money clearly. Yes, money. Your girl got it. She got that money. Yes. So, all right, y'all. Let's get into it. Okay, guys. So we're about to get into placing our props and our product inside. I'm gonna start with my blue cheese money bag. This has been seen all over my Instagram. I had shown it. I had it in pink and blue. Now I pretty much got all the colors. So we're gonna start with this one. Take the money. And I am thinking that I want to stack a couple of them sky high and then place the bag on top. So I'm going to bring y'all inside so you can see better. Okay, so we are going to take, I'm thinking about 10 of them. Alright guys, once you have your photos, you want to begin editing. I like editing in Photoshop, but you can use whatever you prefer. And voila, You have professional product photos, you guys. I am so in love with my product photos. They are perfect. And you can find my products on koyascloset.com. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more content.